Welcome to Fly Over the Map. Today, we find ourselves in Mexico. Today's building we find in Ecatepec. We are flying over the Ecatepec Cultural and Recreation Center today. Welcome to Ecatepec, Mexico, where we're flying over the Ecatepec Cultural and Recreation Center today. Located at Avenida Tecnológico /N, corner of Calle Marte and Valle de Anahuac, this community hub opened in 2011 on land near the Tecnológico de Estudios Superiores. Designed for accessibility, it features ramps and wide entrances for all visitors. Spanning 5,000 square meters, it includes an open-air theater for 250, an auditorium for 270, and spaces for art workshops like ballet, painting, and yoga, some led by local creators. In May 2025, the center hosted a mini Textos writing workshop for kids, blending fun with literary skills. Free entry draws locals, though workshops cost 50 pesos monthly. Open Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., and Sundays 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., it's a cultural oasis in Mexico's most populous municipality. Nearby, explore Ecatepec's bustling streets or the educational campus. Perfect for families or art lovers, this center showcases Mexico's rich cultural spirit. We look forward to welcoming you on board again next time for Fly Over the Map. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like or comment.